MWBCs about. 210.4 is the article. Read it before you whine. Shared neutral, opposite legs. Oh, that neutral's going to fry. Opposite legs, currents cancel. Same leg, currents add. Get this wrong, and your neutral is the worst day you've ever had. Branch circuit boogie, two hots, one neutral. Opposite legs, that's the golden rule. Branch circuit boogie, currents cancel out. Shared neutral handles it, no doubt. 210.4, read the section. Handle tie, disconnection. Pigtail the neutral. 210.7, get it right and you're in heaven. Branch circuit boogie, one neutral, two circuits. Branch circuit boogie, do it right. Now here's where everybody stumbles. The handle tie on the breaker. Both circuits disconnect together. That's the rule, no faker. If you're working on that neutral, you need both hots to drop. Single pole breakers need a handle tie, or the work doesn't stop. Simultaneous disconnection, that's what 210.4 requires. Both poles off at the same time before anybody wires. 210.7 says the neutral can't depend on device connections. Pull that receptacle out of the box. Neutral stays connected, no exceptions. Pigtail from the neutral conductor to the device and back. If you wire the neutral through the device, your other circuits go in black. Shared neutral must stay continuous even when devices are removed. 210.7, pigtail required. Now your installation's approved. Opposite legs, currents cancel. Same leg, currents add. Get this wrong, and your neutral is the worst day you've ever had. Branch circuit boogie, two hots, one neutral. Opposite legs, that's the golden rule. Branch circuit boogie, currents cancel out. Shared neutral handles it, no doubt. 210.4, read the section. Handle tie, disconnection. Pigtail the neutral. 210.7, get it right and you're in heaven. Branch circuit boogie, one neutral, two circuits. Branch circuit boogie, do it right. Here's why same leg MWBC is dangerous. Both hots on the same leg. Currents don't cancel, they add. That neutral carries double the load. 12 gauge neutral rated 20 amps. 220 amp circuits, same leg. 40 amps on a 20 amp neutral. That wire gets hot, you do the math. Overloaded neutral, no breaker to protect it. Neutral isn't protected by an OCPD. It relies on current cancellation. Put both hots on opposite legs and the math works perfectly. Currents cancel in the neutral under balanced load. Nearly zero flows free. Branch circuit boogie, two hots, one neutral. Opposite legs, that's the golden rule. Branch circuit boogie, currents cancel out. Shared neutral handles it, no doubt. 210.4, read the section. Handle tie, disconnection. Pigtail the neutral. 210.7, get it right and you're in heaven. Branch circuit boogie, one neutral, two circuits. Branch circuit boogie, do it right. Opposite legs, handle tie, pigtail the neutral.